training no coach ni Asia players be yensia asenson
the original fella man
abusia pensa be jampo Stanley and Tinkler omo gina technical area or no monitor training ni wie no ana training no course omo timi frɛ wo na omo di nkomo
wow
ebi mu omo frɛ omo a nkomodie no aye omo kyerɛw mistakes bi a wo ye and how to improve ebi mu nkomodie after training no aye ye kyerɛw sɛ bra hyase na eboaboa wo ne ma na no awe ni me ya na meka abja person majambo
Richard Pepe shall arrest the fella man.
It doesn't look good for these players ambabe bomudi.
Hey.
Elvis Che Bafo Awuche.
Yes.
My own Elvis Che Bafo Awuche. And now after training, you know. In fact, unim se Timbers ni chukoye no. Stanley and Tinkler. Ejina baby omu jina na finalize ni omo bi.
Wow.
Omo the 26 players. Ebe free Kumasi akonkran akotoa the second phase of the preseason is obviously.
Okay.
So omo kwa player Sunday me catch up from last week say player Kotoko Timbers ni two free awan ko bi no. Wo no ye ne wa wie. But mpanyfo mpese be say as ye ko ne amfrew. Enti omo edi nkomam wo hu say Pepe Suarez akoma fe mpanyfo say baby is on bosom de akoma sports ekọ no omo de wase esie ni kaje ne obu bebe miensa but say there say no mpeso mo fanti em fansi na omo da wase enye say bi a Pepe frifia beduru ha na fe afidie de ansasi su mani bi ye yiwa firi so wo so wo ya we si a mi de minimo o ya we si say o de ma ba ku bi he bi no eti o ya sa en de wa anya de na mom ni nipa di nkomo na o cheche ma che no eno ana Stanley Menzo and Erick Tinkler eye ho adwuma na busa pension
fantastic
tie ka say de Elvis Che Bafo Awuche also no angasa training no shase this week Tuesday no oba training and na mpanyimfo no mienu edi nkomo say yensa ma mo 1 week enso so ana ni yanhwe because omo a wo mo di campaign dem sapanyi wonom ahwe omo ahu de wonom ebetimi aye already ade ama wonom and omo I monitor be a cheba for man 1 week but list of players are possibly Asante Kotoko beja omo kwan no abranche did Elvis Che Bafo dem sapanyi ne din ada ho se Kotoko ene ebewie no mo jan kwan Isaac Minta ewa Asante Kotoko training grounds Isaac Minta be 2 weeks ni training goes wa hye no ekobe 30
wow
oh ya pine Minta dia to ya pine dem Minta brontra no training opa they on boy 11 aside
okay
to mu chem na 11 no lead lines we na but still you say Minta performance no and so coach nani
upon goes wo say gina
yeah and then na me share one of Jose Mourinho assistant coaches no na say me okan I say almost say coons quite first of player no oya o drills no coons so kran it gives them an indication whether you are a serious player or you are not a serious player to say sometimes omo ya justify omo use say money yin kura be free because omo say wonya wa adwene ni ball no so etiano aye baako Japan efiri o eba yade ehun sem na etudwa so kwampoku already yakachire no abrante de din ede Che Bafo Isaac Minta mame bra Johnson wate Johnson upon owusu bra Johnson upon owusu Johnson and so empanyfo no enye impressed with the show you know and Johnson upon owusu is on the list of the players yam mpanyfo ebeda omase na wonom eja omo kwan na busapanyi Johnson upon owusu bra Johnson no mpanyfo ene no ebewie obakotko last season first round of last season he was not registered
okay
second round akotko registered okay sir Che Bafo first round of last season he was not registered by have is no pra na uche pra and mpanyfo an register no abja person champion
Richard Pepe shall read the original fella man
We need the dema me pa o.
We original.
But Kotoko from penny for no, Monsieur Mo. Okay. As I'm the number B at the mark was company for. Coach, you know, impressed with Prince Badu Isco.
Hey,
Prince. Or sign 3 years or
I
about.
ran to them from Nations second round.
Yeah, or sign 3 seasons or about half season.
Hey,
Or by January of
last season.
this year, yeah, January or by. Coach, you know, impressed.
Hey,
but Prince, I mean, I will say, or would deal be worth $100,000. Bit Baba could go. Timestra Asante Kotoko company for. I'm share Explosion Sports Management Consult for Explosion Sports Management. One more a player agency, FIFA registered player agency. One more and I said deal with deal more. Brad deal with deal so okay. No more person come sign it. A branch did Elvis. Eba omo agency.
yeah.
But as na Elvis, sorry, a branch did the Prince. Not Prince interest as well by sign. But deal with a valid could company for a explosion for now. Sir Prince, but do we try to contract one also we call loan there. Sir got Gino a ton of $100,000 and you're bad. Minimum on what transfer fee, the imaginations there. But the penny half a loaf is better than none. But Nancy Omudi Biaso say only if the half loaf is not spoiled. Sensei, they are. So I said, yeah, the mouth of the say. But Prince really play a bit Marco. Eti Kotoko. The mate say Prince Badu Isco. Ne the Ramon first stars and Tom Mame. Prince Badu Isco. I'm supposed to jump.
Richard Pepe shall raise the fella man.
Emmanuel Nchi, I want the next week to justify his stay at Asante Kotoko. But so far, the why and coach, you know, answer coaches in Observation, almost young memory, almost psychology, almost young way. As I say, Emmanuel Nchi first week, Wama. No, about him paying for cheating him. Imam may want to, you see, there's a natural instinct in man. Sir, a his power, say, oh, Chrom said, you are better.
Impress. Yeah.
They want to give him a little bit of time or start training this week.
Yeah.
You man yet training him and Shadi Wate. On next week, me and Shadi. Between Emmanuel and Walid Fuseni name a Bako Abeko. Walid Fuseni name an Emmanuel and Mr. Bako Abeko. Walid and Emmanuel and Bako Abeko. A coach, no. Eddie B. Abba Ababekam. Yeah, because I see our cockles go training grounds. There is a Burkina Bay midfielder.
Okay.
Ne born at the D. Long passes, no asuma neko.
Nice one.
Yam more short passes, yan retaining ball, yan recycle ball. Why number 6 for them found one in Bonibia. Coach, any yard you no. Tinani Genoa, no, the double canwa. Yam fan number 6 for a mianza, so uncommon.
Yes.
And no nama, I say there's a possibility, sir. But Mr. Kotoko, we a free information. I'm the mom.
Fantastic.
Team B our Eastern Africa. Are we ready to spend $100,000 on Prince Badu? Can contract him, Sakeke. Can't just one keke. Jessica.
Sure.
Jessica. I'm on Explosion Sports Management Consult. I'm winning number. I'm contacting him. But we know. Because I mail na ba mail time ya mo season in here no and na nko for person mo mail na ba omo check it
The original fella man.
omo nko check omo check mu a
Them.
omo hu na one am pani
Pepe shall.
me no ka say se mabo kwa mpoku mabo che ba for mabo minta
Yes.
mabo Prince Badu
Yeah.
Walid Fuseni Emmanuel Ntwi
Yeah.
says no goalkeeping area hono. Goalkeeping area hono.
Yes.
Baku bit masasa ho baro de yenkoye. Kotoko right back. Obi anu akotoko jana kwan. Kotoko left back obi anu akotoko jana kwan. Kotoko aka 2 central defenders obi anu akotoko jana kwan. Midfield hono.
FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Achina na mama omo amu stay nyina no. But midfield hono. And Prince Badu de no. I say coach ne person or converting ko no center back. so
Okay.
anase ɛhɔ no adwuma no deɛ ɛne ebi ebigya no kwan minim so ate ase a
Yes.
but Prince so me de opia ho ba ru sɛ nye coach bia no deɛ ɔpɛ bu sɛ
Yeah.
panyin
Yeah.
players bebrebe yeyi omo efiri Madrid baabi no ɔkɔ ha no akɔ gyi ne din yeyi obi firi Barcelona no ɔkɔ ha no akɔ perform yeyi obi firi Manchester esi baabi a eti Prince deɛ no
Yes.
anim ɔfɔrɔma bɔ Johnson di Bra Johnson ɔpɔn wusu Bra Johnson minta kwa mpoku eti nsia nson bi deɛ busua panyin wɔnom ebetumi agyira nkyɛn ɔn betumi agyira nkyɛn na mpanyinfo ahwɛ ɔmo anim ahwɛ de firim ɛnso ɛbɛba abusua pɛsɛ bɛ jampo
Richardo Pepe shall raise the fella man.
na me ka kyɛw sɛ Congo fo mienu ɛwɔ training hɔ baako edin ɛyɛ Mayele na baako yɛ Kabala
Yes.
dan me refi Mayele no fa me tirim ɛma me ka sɛ former Kotoko player bi din sɛ Kwesi Apia ne fɛ no Mayele Kwesi Apia Mayele no ɛne Kabala deɛ meteɛ sɛ Mayele ne Kabala no panyin coach ne mɔde no players ne mɔde no asɔ coach n'ani ɛnso ɔmo tiri yie no sɛ Kotoko next phase of the preseason yɛnami ɔmo ka ho a Kotoko afa ɔmo Mayele ɛne Kabala from Congo
Fantastic.
ɛyɛ players ɔmo wɔ camp sɛ si a me ne wo ka sɛ ɔmo wɔ hɔ ɛne training ɛbaa soɔ no wɔnom ɛyɛ bi
Nice one.
Burkina midfielder asɛm abɔ ndia maka no asɛm akyɛw sɛ wɔyɛ midfielder mpanyimfoɔ no ni agye performance no ho
Yeah.
ɔmo ni agye ho ɔkɛrɛ sɛ bɔɔl no kama but since yɛ deɛ youth team player no ne din ɛde Bismarck Ofori no wɔn na ɔmo ato ne din Messi ɛwɔ Kotoko training ground so sisi yɛ Messi ne ɔde bɔɔl no ɛba Bismarck Ofori Kabiru ayi so impress paa o yɛfɛ no sɛ kora ayi Philipamo ya ɔno nso mfɛ no kudus coach ne yɛada no bruta Philipamo
Wow.
Dauda Saka ne sei no coach ne bɛ recommend sɛ ɔmo ma no contract extension we a meme ne wo kan coach ne nya nka nkyerɛ board no bɔ bɛka kyerɛ board no so ɔmo ma because aka no one season
Original fella man.
coach ne bɛka kyerɛ mpanyinfoɔ so ɔmo ma Dauda Saka contract extension ɔn sign 2-3 years nka ho Saka Dauda
Pepe Suarez.
ɔbɛ extend Dauda Saka bɛ extend gye bi ɔna sɛ ɔnyɛ but ɔbɛyɛ deɛ abusa panyin coach no ɛbɛ recommend so ɔmo akɔda no extend ne contract no
Wow.
yeah Philipamo Dauda Saka bɔn ɔmo bɔn ɔna no ɔhyɛ Bismarck Ofori the young boy Bismarck Ofori the young boy abusua
Yes, sir.
ɔyɛmfa Felix ne nsia
Ha ha.
na yɛnkɔmmra yɛba mmɔ ɛwɔ hɔ a yɛde bɛsɔ so ama yɛn atiefoɔ no